What's up, guys? It's your boy E, back again with another one, and I am reviewing something from the one and only Harlem Bling, and I'm super excited for it because, as you can see right now, I am wearing one of my favorite chains, and this is my 20 millimeter 30-inch Prong Cuban from Harlem Bling. I absolutely love this thing. It's a super heavy chain. I wear this thing on the reg. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the piece that I got to compliment it. And you know what? My man Bob has been on one lately. So you know what I did? I reached out to Bob's little son. Little Bob, do your thing, buddy. Do your thing, little Bob. Alright guys, we are back. Little Bob, thank you for doing your thing. Little Bob is an aspiring SoundCloud rapper. You just call him Lil Bob. Anyways, that was a stupid joke, guys. I don't know where that came from. Back to what I was saying, I got my favorite chain on, guys, and what did I have to go get? The matching 22 millimeter Kilo bracelet, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It matches my favorite chain. This is an 8.5 inch bracelet, and the shine on this thing is absolutely nuts. And if I can tell anything from how much I love this chain, I am gonna love this bracelet as well. I love to have that matching set to rock out, and this thing is just gorgeous. You know, super tight links. I love this. And at the end of the day, guys, with, you know, you guys know for the most part how I feel about mined stones. Buying jewelry like this with mined stones on them, with these little diamonds right here. If you had this in mined stones, you ever went to sell it, I mean, the beating you would take would be something crazy. I love the look. MOISSANITE is a real stone. Harlem Bling uses super high quality MOISSANITE that hits every single time. As I'm saying that, let me actually get the diamond tester warmed up right now so we can get that going. Let me get the tip off right here. Pause.
Hold up. Wait a minute. What do you mean by that?
Obviously, this is always going to hit because Harlem Bling stuff always hits all the time, 100% of the time. And that's why I choose to shop with them, because they ship on time. They have much better customer service than they had in the beginning. And they're just an all-around good company that's constantly putting out original pieces. And with that, the diamond tester is ready. So let's hit this really quick. Boom, right away. Every single time, never misses, and that's why I put my money with this company, because they're always producing constant quality. But yeah, I mean, look guys, this bracelet is absolutely fire. Let's get this thing on wrist so we can take a look at it, and with that, I will be right back. All right guys, we are back, and check this thing out. I mean, look at that shine that we got going right here. Beautiful piece. I love this thing. I mean, super nice. I'll get the box out of the way over here, but this is a beautiful bracelet. I love this lock right here. Super sturdy. It feels super comfortable on the wrist. Now I actually have to go in reverse and weigh it for you guys. And after I weigh it, I will rate it. But this is just a beautiful piece here, guys. I mean, the shine is crazy. The comfort is crazy. And now let's get it on the scale. This does have a pretty good weight to it. Definitely a good weight to it, which I love. I like to feel the weight of the jewelry on me. So let's get that weight and see where we're at. And I will be right back one more time. All right, guys, we are back, and let us get the scales of truth out. Obviously, this hit perfectly on the diamond tester. We are at 0, and let's get this in here. And we are at 157.2 grams in an 8.5 millimeter bracelet. Definitely a nice weight to it. Definitely a beautiful bracelet. And now it is time to rate it. And on a scale of nope to dope, I am going to give this bracelet a solid 8.7. Congratulations, Harlem Bling. Another fire piece. I mean, guys, lately, listen to all the pieces that I get from them. Harlem Bling does not miss.
That's why he's the GOAT!
I know Harlem Bling is a company. They're going through some changes right now. I think they are rebranding a little bit, possibly going to HB Fine Jewelry or changing the name around a little bit. They've been coming out with a lot of crazy new pieces and all that kind of stuff. And I'm super excited to see as they grow what more stuff comes along. Yeah, they're always launching something new, and shout out to Eddie over there because he's hustling hard every single day to kind of put these pieces out there for everyone. So guys, as usual, please make sure to comment below. You know, I love to hear what you guys have to say, your opinions. You know, keep it polite. If you don't want to keep it polite, that's fine, but just know that I might block you and report. I'm just kidding. I don't do that shit, but you guys know what I'm saying. Let's just keep it about jewelry. For the most part, you guys are awesome, which I love, and I love hearing the feedback as usual. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like I said, it helps your boy E out tremendously. And with that, this has been the review of the Kilo 20. Oh my God. I forgot to measure the bracelet, guys. I forgot to measure the bracelet. My videographer is going to go crazy on me right now, so I'm going to have to rewind. I was about to end the video, guys. I was about to end the video. End it. Look, where's my head at? Where is my head at? What's right? E, what's wrong with you, bro? Okay, Bob, this is your time to say something to me if you want to say something. Say it.
Are you sure?
Go ahead, Bob. I know you want to say it. I know you got that built up resentment. Say it.
Honestly, E, I think you're losing it. You're messing up the order of shit. And you're out here missing details. Personally, I think I should take over the whole channel because you clearly don't have what it takes anymore. But hey, that's just my unfiltered opinion that you asked for.
Oh, wow. I didn't know it would be that crazy. All right, Bob. Anyway, let's get a quick measurement, guys, and then I'm going to go back to wrapping the video up. But this is supposed to be a 22 millimeter bracelet. We are zeroed out 21.88, 21.9, 22.27. So we're right there at the 22. Always good to see, always on point with the measurement. Now let's go back to the conclusion, but I rated it, I measured it, I diamond tested it, I gave you guys my opinion. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been your boy E, and I am out. Peace.